Well, hello there. Welcome to another break here from Bounty Hunter Breaks. This is Boba Fett me. Hope everybody's having a decent start to their weekend. I said to myself I wasn't going to buy any more Metal Universe, but lo and behold, I had to cave to the pressure of seeing it on the shelf in the store and not being able to resist it. So they only had 2 boxes, so that was all I could get, even though, as well, that was the limit that they have put in place there at my local Walmart. So yeah, so we're just going to hop right into this. Not much more talking about it. I know I've busted, 8 boxes so far. 2 that I picked up off the shelf and 6 that I ordered through Target. And then I said that was it, no more, because out of the 6, I had like 3 of the same Alliance in the 6 packs. But maybe we'll get lucky here and pull a... Looks like we get an acetate right off. Maybe not. Maybe it's not an acetate. Yeah, it's an acetate. So we start off with a Pekka Rinne for the Predators, a Matthew Barzal for the Islanders, a Nikita Kucherov for the Lightning. We got our blue parallel, Rickard Rakell, an Alon of Jordan Binnington. Those are nice looking. Of course, I don't have any of my decoys ready at the ready. Yeah, they're all buried. But anyway, should put it in behind somewhat. You can kind of see. And then we got a Tyler Seguin All-Star and a Philip Broberg for the Oilers rookie. I still would like to see a PMG pull out of retail. I haven't had the luxury of pulling one yet. Ryan Zingle for the Canes. Tom Wilson for the Capitals. Clayton Keller for the Coyotes. David Perron, All-Star Blue. A Jonas Johansson Premium Prospect, which looks like it's off-cut way high. Yeah, it's way off-cut. Got a net deposit of Romanov for the Montreal Canadiens. And we got a Nikolai Kuznetsov for the rookie for the Sharks. We'll sleeve up the Romanov just because. So I know, in my experience, if you get a clear-cut card or an acetate card, you won't get a numbered card, but maybe we can break that trend. Mike Zibanejad for the Rangers, Sidney Crosby, Jack Eichel, and our blue in this one is an Elias Pettersson. Our Alliance, Matthew Barzal, Anders Lee, Timothy Liljegren for the Leafs, and a Shea Weber All-Star. So we'll sleeve up both the Alliance as well as the Pettersson blue. Next pack. Anthony Mantha for the Red Wings. Blake Wheeler for the Jets. Anders Lee for the Islanders. Kyle Connor for the Jets. Tyler Benson blue rookie. Ooh, and Lafreniere 97-98. Victor Hedman All-Star. So nice retro on that one. I mean, I'd take a Stützle or Kaprizov. Kokaniemi, who's now on the Hurricanes, I do believe. Nico Hischier for the Devils. Brady Tkachuk. Oh, we do have a purple, so see? I did break the odds. Roman Josi blue. A Jake Evans rookie. A Jacob Markstrom All-Star. And an Olio Levy Canucks rookie. So our Jake Evans purple is 143 of 199. So that finishes off box 1. So let's hop right into box 2. Or break into box 2, cut into box 2, slash into box 2. So here we go. And out of, this will be the total of 10 boxes now, but out of the 10 so far, or the 8 previous ones, I've only pulled one autograph, but maybe we'll pull one in this box. Josh Bailey for the Islanders, Braden Point for the Lightning, Connor McDavid, a Vasilevsky blue, oh, another Alon, Carter Hart. Hopefully he has a bounce back year this year. Ooh, Jason! Matthew Barzal All-Star. So yes, a nice Jason Robertson. Need more Jason. Maybe I can get a Jason blue or purple in this box. Or even another autograph of him. So I got a Mark Stone for the Knights. James Van Riemersdyk for the Flyers. Alex DeBrincat for the Blackhawks. Jacob Slavin for the Hurricanes All-Star blue. Alexander Alexiev. And who's our alliance in this one? Mark Scheifele and Kyle Connor. I don't know why that one was upside down, but anyway. And Alexander Alexiev again. So I got 2 Alexanders in that pack. Both the premium prospect as well as the regular rookie. So this pack start off with a Sean Moynihan for the Calgary Flames, Alexander Barkov for the Panthers, and Elvis Merzlikins for Blue Jackets, Artemi Panarin for the Rangers, blue, a nice Elias Pettersson net deposit, an Alexander Barbanoff rookie for the Maple Leafs, and a Jordan Binnington All-Star. So down to the last 2 packs. Can there be an auto pull or a PMG? To be honest, I would take a PMG over an autograph, but I guess how do you say, beggars can't be choosers? I won't complain if I get a autograph instead. Brad Marchand for the Bruins, Dave Pastrnak for the Bruins, Mark Scheifele for the Jets, Mikko Rantanen for the Avalanche, Logan Stanley, blue rookie, and then our Josh Norris, 97-98, and then a Patrick Kane All-Star for the Blackhawks. So, not the rookie I was looking for, but I'll take it as a Josh Norris 97-98 retro or tribute, however you want to phrase it. Last pack, last chance. So we do have another purple. So we got a Thomas Chabot, Jonathan Marchessault, Carey Price for the Canadiens, Mackenzie Blackwood, blue. Looks like it's an all-star. Purple. Jacob Slavin for the Hurricanes, and Nicholas Beaudin, rookie. And our all-star purple is going to be Max Pacioretty for the Golden Knights. And it's getting as close as you can to the end without being the last one. 194, 199. Too bad it wasn't 197, and it would be number matched with card 197 and serial number 197. But alas, it was not. So yeah, do a quick recap. Get the Max Pacioretty. Purple, 194, 199. Josh Norris, 97, 98. Elias Pettersson, net deposit. The Alliance for the Jets. A Jason Robertson rookie. An Alon of Carter Hart for Philadelphia. A Jake Evans, 143 of 199 rookie. A Lafreniere, 97, 98. Excuse me. Elias Pettersson blue. An Alliance of Barzal Andersley for the Islanders. A net deposit of Romanov. And then the final one is the Jordan Binnington Alon. So, again, 2 acetates out of 2 packs. And then just the other blues. You got Mackenzie Blackwood, Logan Stanley, Temi Panarin, Jacob Slavin, Vasilevsky, Roman Josi, Tyler Benson, Dave Perron, and Richard Raquel. So yeah, that concludes this break of 1920 Upper Deck Skybox Metal Universe Hockey. So hope everybody has a great rest of your day, and as always, keep collecting.